think I'm still gonna stand on what I said a couple days ago about this rebuild. Yeah, it's slow, but the way the pictures is being painted right now, that is what it's looking like. You restructured Dak for what? 9 million, bringing his cap to what, 55 million from what, bringing it down to 55 to 59 from 59. But either way it goes, it's just too many 1-year deals. Players that you're re-signing, they role players at best. But from the way the picture is being painted, that's what it's looking like. It's just, their philosophy is draft players, build a team, pay the players that are